An automation program is only as strong as its foundation. The operating model and delivery dimension isn't just about organizing your team, it's about creating the structures and processes that enable your program to consistently deliver value and scale effectively. But why is this dimension so crucial? Because without a well-designed operating model, even the most talented teams can struggle when delivering results. Your operating model determines how effectively you can respond to the business needs and organize delivery across multiple departments while managing resources and scaling your automation initiatives. For new programs, this dimension helps to establish your core team structure and basic delivery processes. You're going to learn everything about setting up a center of excellence to implementing fundamental development practices that result in high quality and consistent outcomes. As your program matures, you'll evolve towards a hybrid model that can balance out the centralized expertise with distributed delivery capabilities. You'll develop more sophisticated development standards and create frameworks that can enable broader participation in your automation initiatives and set the foundation for exploring and introducing citizen development. And when you're ready to scale, this dimension shows you how to implement an enterprise-grade development ecosystem that supports both professional developers and citizen developers. You'll create advanced delivery strategies that enable rapid innovation while maintaining quality and control. The result? A flexible, scalable operating model that evolves with your program's needs, from your first automation team to an enterprise-wide ecosystem that delivers automation and innovation value at scale. Ready to build an operating model that powers success? Let's explore this dimension so that you can transform your delivery capabilities at every stage.